How to buy a Nyan token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert before investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money if you work on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 226% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's many investment in safe place. This token is trending number 5 under the Solana network on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token under the Solana network. Open your functionality for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see, as you can see, this is how much you will receive of the token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And you will be, after that, able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a Nyan token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.